Hey, what is going on? Shawn from JB Auto Paint and Body. My name is John Nicholas and I'm with NJSEO Marketing. Today I'm shooting this video to show you 3 tips that you can use to help your online presence when it comes to your website. If by the end of the video you like what you hear, please feel free to reach out to me, and without further ado, let me get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. When it comes to content to a website, it means how many words you have on your pages, how many keywords, and how your pictures are saved. So for the words, on your main page, you want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 words, and on your sub pages, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words as well. What that allows you to do is implement more keywords, and what a keyword is basically a search term that is being searched by a customer who's looking for your services. So the more keywords you have, the more search volume you guys will get each month. When it comes to your pictures, like this picture right here, if it's saved under a keyword, that will actually help your website get found, and you will actually get ranked for those keywords as well. This is not saved as a keyword; it's saved under your name, which is still good, but it's not really helping you get ranked on those keywords. When it comes to websites, the second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. What a citation is basically the name of your company as it is listed in Google. Its number and address listed in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Facebook. Just basically anywhere anyone could go to go find your company. And what that in turn affects is this GMB section right here of Google, the Google My Business Map Pack right here. The more citations you have, the higher you will be ranked. As you can see here are your top competitors in your area for the GMB. The way you outrank them is by duplicating their citations and then implementing more citations so that you don't only outrank them, but you make sure that they don't catch up as well. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. What backlinks are is basically a link that links back to your website from a different website. The more backlinks you guys have, the higher you guys will be ranked in the organic section of Google right down here. Uh, the more links you guys have, the more power your website gets. But not all links are created equal. Some are more powerful than others. And if you have the more powerful backlinks, it will be the higher you will be ranked. And if you have more powerful links than your competitor does, then you won't need nearly as many as they have to outrank them. Now I'm gonna go over to this quick tool that I use called Ahrefs. Here is your website. I implemented your URL right here. As you can see, it's showing me that you have no data for the UR and 0 for DR. This is basically how strong your link is, and this is how trusted you are in the eyes of Google. You have 7 referring domains, giving you a total of 13 backlinks, and in turn giving you an organic traffic of 9 people each month. And you guys are currently having 13 keywords. Those are 13 words that you guys are being found for. And now I'm going to show you your top competitor in your area, McDaniel's Auto Painting and Body Work. Right here they have a UR of 10 and a DR of 10 as well. They have 72 referring domains, giving them a total of 279 backlinks, and in turn that's giving them an organic traffic of 158 people each month. And they're currently using 279 keywords, so that's 279 words that they're being found for. So with proper SEO work done, this is what you could be getting for your website. And looking at your top competitor, it won't be that hard to outrank them and be on top of the competition in your area. So if any of this interests you, please feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions, you have my email. Other than that, I hope you have a good day, and I hope you found this information well. Thank you.